1965 Chevrolet Impala Convertible, 327 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the front bright work. Chrome grille. Looks good up front. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Just a couple little blemishes up here, touch-ups, or just a little bit of a bubble in the hood. Otherwise, paint shows pretty well. Nice reflection in it, you can see. Phone number to talk about the warranty protection plan. Got any questions, want to talk to a sales consultant? That phone number is 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Gotta love these wheel covers with the red highlight from the rim and the white walls. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side of this vehicle. See, it's pretty free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. White vinyl convertible top. That is power. It does work. We're going to put it up at the end of the video so you can check it out. Red interior, seat belts intact, vinyl bench. Very stock looking dash with the exception there is an aftermarket stereo that has been installed in the glove box, and there's also subwoofers in the trunk as well as an amp, so upgraded stereo system for sure. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Take a look at the rear chrome. And again, you can see the paint shows well in the trunk. Like I said, maybe a few touch-up spots, little blemishes, but overall, this car would be great for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. There's a couple extra panels that are going to go with it, with a couple of clip speakers, full-size spare, and then there is a storage bag for the convertible top boot, as well as a jack there, as you can see. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. You're going to see it with the top up, top down, undersides, interior engine bay. We take a look down the driver's side. Again, I've not noticed any real major nicks, dings, or scratches along the driver's side either. Underneath, you're going to see it has a newer exhaust system, quiet flow mufflers. So this is not a real loud or crazy cam car or anything like that. Door panels look good. There's the full front floor mats all the way across the center hump. And I've not noticed any rips, tears, or holes as far as the seats go either. A lot of pictures of this car online. Like I said, you'll be able to look at the interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures. All right. I'm going to turn the key on. I want to show you the stereo system does work. And there is a remote there too. So I do not believe you'd have to have that glove box door open all the time. And it looks like it may feed right down to here. So you could use the remote rather than reaching in the glove box. Fire up that 327. I'll warm up here a bit. It was a cold start. The cold light working over there as it should. Like I said, quiet, full mufflers. Quiet running car. Let's slip up to the front. Let you take a look at the engine bay. And then we'll put the top up and we'll wrap up this video. And here's the hood open. Take a look at the underside of the hood liner. There it is. Again, 327, power steering, power brakes. Paired up with that automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350. It does have a battery disconnect switch here, as you can see. In case you want to disconnect that in between drives or in storage for any amount of time. Alright, and again, pictures of the engine bay in with the still pictures. Let's go ahead. We're going to put this convertible top up and check that out. We'll wrap up this video. And let's take a look with the top up. So white vinyl top. Looks good above the windshield. Nice tight fit. I've not noticed any rips, tears, or holes in this one. Actually looks fairly new. Not really even discolored. Glass rear window. It's nice and clear also. And around to the passenger side. Looking good. Need it to keep you out of the sun or maybe a pop-up shower. It's going to serve the purpose just fine. 1965 Chevrolet Impala convertible. And remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1965 Chevrolet Impala. Red on the outside and red on the inside. Glove box is open because that's where our stereo is. Sounds like we've got a subwoofer maybe. It's got some good sound. This is an automatic on the column. Our blower motor does work. Wipers also working. This is a convertible and we do have the top down right now. This car started up great, idle right away. Very nice acceleration, smooth acceleration. We do not have much for gauges in this vehicle. We've got check engine lights for most features. The fuel gauge is working, it's at 1/4 of the gauge, and the speedometer is also working. Very nice condition, original looking bench seats. If I let go of the wheel, the car stays nice and straight. Nice smooth ride. I'm not getting any shakes or vibrations or anything like that. Brakes are working well. Corner is very good. It doesn't lean much in the corners. Very smooth running. Chevrolet Impala. Check it out at UniqueClassicCars.com.